Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a product review. So I got this product sent to me in the mail. Actually, I got it today, so I figured I would just do a video on it. I'm quite excited to open this up. So this is the package I received, and it is by Becko. Becko is actually a company that has a store in Amazon, and they basically sell like family and children relevant products. They have some really cool products on their page. So this is one of the items that I was able to pick out. They did send this to me for free, but this video is not sponsored, so I'm just going to go through it and give you my honest review. So what this is a double layered jewelry organizer, and I definitely needed one because I want to travel more, and for travel I've noticed that I always put my jewelry either in like some sort of like a Ziploc bag or a couple of little bags just to keep it separate but also organized. So this was the item that I really needed, so they were able to send me that. So when you open it up, it comes in a little plastic bag, and they sent me a cute little card, and it has all their social media on the back, which I will leave in my description below, and I'll also leave all the links to where to go and get this if you are interested in it in my description, so definitely go and check that out. So this is what the case looks like. It's more of like a blue teal-ish color. They also have another color which is pink, but I decided to go for this one, and I love the little handles. It's a cream color, and they have their logo up here, and of course you can carry it around like this as well. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like on the inside. So when you open up the first layer, this is what it looks like. This has like a black velvet feeling right here, and this is plastic with some zippers. So basically this section right here holds your rings. There are two sections, so you just take off this little tab like that, and just slide your rings in, and you just have to stick it back in there so that it stays secure. So there are two of those, and then this section right here, you can lift this little piece up, and it has these little holes in it. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, so it has these little holes in it, and that's where you would put in your earrings to hold, and you could put it back into this little pouch right here, so it holds it really nice and safe, and you have all that nice and tucked away. This area right here with the plastic and the zippers, there are three of them. You basically can put in like your watches or like any other longer items, like your long necklaces and bracelets or anything like that. So that would go into this. I really love that the zippers and all are like gold. It's a really nice and chic look to it. So that looks really pretty. This gold and teal go really well together. The second layer looks like this. You get those little packages of stuff, you know, the stuff that you get when you have new products. I don't know, whatever that is. But yeah, so this section right here holds your necklaces. So you basically just take this flap off, put your necklace in. You can put it through this side and put it into these pouches so that it can stay nice and secure, and also separated so it's not all tangled up together. So you have enough for 7. So for an entire week, you want to change up your necklaces, you definitely have enough for that. And then down here, this is actually one of the main reasons I went for this jewelry case, because this is the one that has different dividers so that you can put your watches in. And my husband, he has a lot of watches, so when we travel he likes to change things up, so I figured this would be great for him as well. So you do get this little pillow pouch, you know, you get it for your watches whenever you get new watches, so you can put your watch in there, and you can put it into these little compartments. And then also these are detachable so that you can put whatever you want in here, however long it is or short it is, and you can use this to divide it. This area also is velvet. It feels really nice and looks very luxurious. I am actually very excited to use this. I don't know if you can tell in my videos, I do love jewelry, so I have a lot of stuff that I want to put with my different outfits. So yeah, this is perfect for travel. So I really like everything you can do with this. I love how you can keep everything nice and organized, and also nice and secure and safe, so they don't move around too much and they don't get destroyed, you know, because you want to keep those pieces really nice and safe, especially when you travel abroad. Whenever I go to India, it's usually for at least like 2 or 3 weeks, And Indian jewelry, there's a lot of it. You want to change your earrings with every little outfit you have because it's so colorful. So this is definitely something that is going to be so useful for me. You don't only have to use this for your jewelry, you can use this for your makeup as well. You can put like little lipsticks or little compacts or whatever in here, especially the fact that this is Velcro and you can like make this as big as you want. You can probably put like a palette in here, which would be perfect for me. Like I can use one section for a little bit of makeup and another section for my jewelry. So I feel like this is a good size for me and a good fit. So I really like that. And like I said, it also comes in pink, but I chose the blue. So thank you, Becko, for sending this to me. I really like what I see and I can't wait to use this. And if you guys are interested in getting one of your own, I will leave a link in my description so you can check that out. Also, Becko was kind enough to give me a coupon code, so definitely use that to save some money. So yeah, guys, that's the end of my video. Thanks again, Becko, for sending me this. I can't wait to use it because I definitely needed one and I feel like you guys read my mind. Now I can keep all of my stuff organized, which is a blessing because stuff gets everywhere and then I get very unorganized by the end of my trip. You know how it is, you're always organized when you leave for a trip, but when you come back it's a mess. At least for me it is. So this is going to make my life so much easier. Leave me a comment below letting me know what are some things you guys do to have a better travel situation as far as packing is concerned. This is definitely going to be included in my better packing methods. So I'm excited for that. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye!